Jai Srimanarayana. 33rd sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yeshamathe Kamshitam no Rajyam Bhogaha Sukhani cha Taimeva sthita Yuddhe Pranan tyaktva Dhanani cha The message of the sloka is: do not seek enjoyments and pleasures at the cost of others' life. Also, Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a message in 18th chapter saying that, "Oh my dear child, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us give a vow to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Srimanarayana, I shall not seek pleasures and enjoyments at the cost of others' life. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. बोल विजय लक्ष्मी माता की जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasayyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti saying to Sukracharya like this, O Acharya, as you said, if this Vamana is Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu, then his hand will be down and my hand will be up, because he is asking for the charity, I am giving him the charity. Even that itself is a great fortunate for me, O Acharya. నిరయంబైన నిబంధమైన ధరణి నిర్మూలనంబైన దుర్మరణంబైన కులాంతమైన నిజమున్రా నిమ్ము కానిమ్ము పో. O Acharya, if at all this Mahavishnu ties up me, let him tie. Even if I am tied up, even if I am going to get a dreadful death, even if I am going to be completely kept in the hell, even if entire of my dynasty is going to be destroyed, even if this entire earth is going to be break into pieces, whatever it may happen, I am not going to take my word back at all. I will give that 3 feet land to this Vamana. Harudainan హరియైన నీరజభవుండు అభ్యాగతుండైనన్ ఔ తిరుగన్నేరదు నాదు జిహ్వ వినుమా ధీవర్య వేయేటికిన్. ఓ ఆచార్య, వాట్ ఎల్స్ ఐ కెన్ టెల్ యూ? Even if Sakshat Paramashiva or Sri Mahavishnu or Chaturmukha Brahma, if they come to take charity from me, yes, my tongue does not know how to say no. My tongue doesn't know once the word is given to take it back. O Mahavijnana Swarupa Sukracharya, this is my final decision. Like that, Bali Chakravarti saying to Sukracharya. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 33rd sloka. Esha mardhe kangshitam naha rajyam bhogaha sukhani cha taimeva sthita yuddhe प्राणान् त्यक्त्वा धनानि च. येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च तैमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.